Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone and welcome into this video. For first, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Lutfi Ridho and you may call me Lutfi. In this video, I would like to tell you a story of my journey with the English language. As we know, the English language is very important language in this world because English language has been being the number one used language to communicate each other globally. So, how is my journey to the English language until now? How is it from zero until now? Let uh, let let me tell you. Okay, so my first encounter to English language is actually in elementary school, which is specifically in third grade. At the time, I think that English language is just a funny language that the word, the vocabulary, and the alphabet it sounds very unique. It sounds very funny to spell it, to spell the alphabet, to to make a sound of the word of English language. And at the time, I think that English language is not an important language because it's just another language of my Indonesian language. But it's changed when I in junior high school. At the time, there is a beautiful, great teachers teach taught in my classes. She's a beautiful, and also she's good at teaching because uh, I s- I was getting interested in English language because of her, because of how she taught us, because how she taught us, and as the time goes, I'm more interested in English language, so that uh, I have a course of English language in junior high school, and I learned it from I learned the vocabulary of English language is from through film and also the books. Like what's the vocabulary? I don't know, but it actually but there is something that very sad about it. It's the next, which is in high school. I mean, in high school, even though when I was in junior high school, I have motivation to learn more vocabulary. In high school, I just don't have it. I still want to learn English language, but I don't have a big enough motivation to do so. Like, I want to improve my fundamental skills, but even until the I graduate from the high school, the most improved skill in English language is just my speaking skills. So I think it's not a great time for me to learn English language. But at the time, I think that English language is very important language. So that I took a gap year before I took the college. At the time, I took the gap year in Kampung English Pare for 9 months. In the first 3 months, we actually learned the foundational skills, four of them. But uh, we the first things that we learn is grammar. After we use grammar more and more in every meeting, we started to learn more in speaking, writing, or also listening. And then in the second 3 months, this is where it's very surprising because all classes were taught exclusively in English, and also the students uh, should not speak any other language than English language. There is no sign about it but everyone do it. Everyone does it. It's very good because the environmental that makes me more improving in my skills. And the final stream is actually optional say, and it need you need to be qualified. And fortunately, I get qualified in this program, which is mastering system. Teaching, we learn more in teaching skills and more advanced learning in English language. And after that, I directly go to the college, where in the first year of the college, I think that the subject is very easy because I've been learning English for 9 months straight. But I realized that it's becoming harder and harder every semester. So until now, I know that I need to improve my own skills in English language. So I think that's all the story that I can tell you about my journal of English language. Thank you very much for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.